Ma'am, so pa nag-start pa lang sila. Kasi maraming pinix ngayon sa loob yung showroom. Ngayon sa inyo na yung ipipix. So, yan po yung tama-tama bang nakain ako mamaya. Ipipicturean ko ulit. Bago yung fixing guy namin, ma'am eh. So, yan. Ito. Tapos yung isa maya-maya. Ito pa yung isa. So, tamang-tama to mga
Subscribe! Sana all!
4:30
Subscribe!
alis na sa dito and then deliver sa inyo. So, gaya ng sinabi ko, ma'am, hindi ko na pinalagay yung ano. Hindi ko na pinalagay. So, may mga botas yan, ma'am. Kasi yun yung pinaka ano niya. So, yun po yan. Bibigyan na rin po sa inyo. Pero kung kailangan nyo pong ilagyan dito, so kayo nang bahala para tawag nito para support lang. Padala ko na rin yan. Ito, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Ayan, ma'am, ito yung kinuha niya kanina. Ito lang yung low cabinet namin 1.2. Bali ano siya 4 feet. Yan lang. Wala na kami pang division eh. Kundi ito lang. Tapos tama, yan lang yung kinuha niya. Dalawa nito. Sir, my colleague have 10 pieces stocks in the warehouse. Okay, then that 110 for the customer, they want to cancel it. So right now we have available stocks for 5 pieces this one, sir. If you like this one, we can deliver even tomorrow or Friday, sir, if you want.
Subscribe! Sana all! Subscribe!
When you put this one, this is your bill. You put this one even 200 and then remaining balance for tomorrow. So this one is the original one. You need to bring tomorrow to make stamp, okay? Only this one coming 1.8. The 1.8 that you send me the picture finished already. I have only 1.6. Madam, we have two sizes. This is the one you take 950 and this one is 850. Where is 900, madam? Tell me where is 900. Where you get this price?